Season's greetings. Today I'm going to show you how to make a wreath just like this one. I'm starting with a wire wreath frame. It has a bowl shape. You want it to sit like that with the sides up and the middle down. And I'm using floral wire. You can get both of these at any craft store, even some dollar stores. So basically you want to start by using your greenery to make little bouquets. I like to use a mix. I have 3 things from the forest and 1 from my garden. This is cedar, hemlock, and fir. I'm going to start by laying the flat ones together. Later you'll see if you put them in first, they're going to kind of hide what's behind them. So I start with flat, then I put in a bit of bushy with that nice spike, then I'm putting in some more full fir. That's what my little bouquet is going to look like. So I'm going to lay that in this little bit of a bowl there. I'm going to take my floral wire and simply wrap it around. I wrap it twice. And there you go, you've started your wreath. So I like to repeat, but you could mix it up. Every second one could have something else in it. So there we go. And what you're going to do is just come down a little bit further and lay it over. So I'm laying it in there, bring in the wire. That's twice. I'm going to do one more. Cedar, hemlock, whatever this lovely blue thing is, and some fir. And we're laying it down. So there, we're wrapping. So look at that, beautiful wreath. So you're going to go the whole way around, and at the end, you'll think you're done, but really do tuck an extra one in, because you'll need that fullness right when you get back to the seam. So next, what you can do is decorate it. I like to take pine cones. I collect these early in the fall before they've kind of rotted at all, and then I save them for Christmas time. So I wrap it around there once, and then I just come in here, wrap it through, twist it behind, and then just kind of make sure it's just naturally in there. And this year, I also added some red balls. So those again, you just find a piece, a little branch, just like you're decorating a Christmas tree. Spin that wire in, and now you've got a little bit of red, which is a nice contrast for the green. And then finally, what I like to do is add some fairy lights. I buy these in packs online, and they're really cheap that way as opposed to just buying one. So what I do is, if this was the bottom of the wreath and it's hanging here, I tuck this in here so that later I can walk up and just pop, turn it on. And so I like to just kind of hide the wire and weave these throughout. Here, the pine cones is nice, and just back and forth. Put that right in there. And then you can see you can go the whole way around. So there you go, look at that. Already a quick, maybe a third of the wreath is done. So let's see the one I did yesterday. This is for our front door this year. Isn't that nice?